La 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 la. Sing with me. I have a little frog. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He gobbled up the soap. And when he tried to talk, he had a bubble in his throat. La 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 la. In the tub, he splished and splashed with joy upon his face. Tiny Tim was having fun in his watery embrace, but soon he found a bubble lodged within his croak. And every time he tried to speak, it made him start to choke. La 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 la. So out he hopped from the tub, with bubbles all around. Tiny Tim the bubbly frog was safe and sound. Now he sits beside the bath, dreaming of his swim. Tiny